Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Maths 1, that is algebra. In this textbook, there are total 7 chapters. Today we begin with first lesson, sets. Before starting the lesson, we recall types of number which you have studied in your lower standard. First, natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 and infinite. Second, whole numbers. Whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinite. Next, integers. Integers are those numbers which includes 0, positive and negative numbers. Now, let's see the definition of set. The well-defined collection of objects is called a set. Or, in simple language, we can say a collection of similar things. We try to understand this definition by following examples. First one, days of a week. If I'll ask each and every student in the class what are the days of a week, here I get same answer from each student, that is Sunday to Saturday, because the collection of days are well defined. Now next, strong students in the class. If I'll ask this question to whole class, I get many different answers because strong students are not well defined. The word strong is a relative term. Its exact meaning differ from person to person. Now next, happy people in the town. Again, happy is a relative term. Its exact meaning will differ from person to person. So, it is not a set. Now, next, months in a year. Here children, there are total 12 months in a year. So, the collection of months are well defined. Here are some pictures. It contains the group of similar things. So, these all pictures belong to set. Now, we are going to learn methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing set. First one, listing method or rooster method. Second one, rule method or set builder form. There are two methods of writing set. Here we have an example, even natural numbers from 2 to 8. This example we have to write in both the methods. First we see listing method. First of all, we have to give set name. Here set name A. Here children, in place of A you can take any alphabet, but it should be capital. After that, equal to, open the curly bracket. In the example it is given 2 to 8. So first even natural number is 2. So start from the 2. After the 2, next 4, next 6, after that 8. Now close the curly bracket. While writing the listing method, we have to keep in mind some rules, that is, here this 2, it is known as individual object or it known as individual number. This individual number is known as element. This each number is known as element. After each element we have to put comma and close with curly bracket. Now move to next, rule method. In the rule method also same, we have to give the set name. We can take any alphabet, but it should be capital. Equal to, open the curly bracket, x such that x. This vertical line is known as such that is an even natural number less than 9 and close the curly bracket. Here children, how to read this set? Let's see now. Set A is a set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than 9. Now children, these are the two methods of writing the set. Listing method and rule method. Here are some symbols we are going to study. This symbol stands for belongs to. This symbol means belongs to. This symbol stands for does not belongs to. Here for example we have one set. This one is the element, it belongs to set B. Same, the 2 is also belong to set B. 3 is also belongs to set B. 4 is also belong to set B. So how to write? Now see. 1 belongs to set B. But here 5 is not there and 6 is also not there. So 5 is not belongs to set B. So how to write? 5 does not belongs to set B. Now let's learn practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Write the following sets in rooster form. Question number 1. Set of even natural numbers. This question we have to write in rooster method. It means in listing method. First of all, we have to give the set name. Here in place of n, you can take any alphabet, but it should be capital. After that, equal to, open the curly bracket. Here it is given natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 1 is the odd number. So next after the 1 is 2. So 2 is a even number. 2 after next is 4. After that 6, 8, 10, so on, infinite. Close the curly bracket. Each element after put comma. Now second one. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Prime numbers are starting from 2. Prime numbers are starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on infinite. Here children, mostly all prime numbers are odd number. Only the 2 is the even prime number. Only 2 is the even prime number. So here give again any set name. Here I am giving capital P. After that equal to, open the curly bracket, write down 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Now third question. Set of negative integers. Negative integer. The biggest negative integer is -1. After that -2, -3 and so on infinite. So give the set name. I am taking your set name A. Open the curly bracket. The biggest integer is -1, -2, -3 and so on infinite. Now fourth one. 7 basic sounds of a sargam. When we are learning music, we have to learn these 7 basic sounds that are, give again the set name. Here I am taking M capital. Open the curly bracket. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. Close the curly bracket. These are the 7 basic sounds of sargam. Question number 2. Write the following symbolical statements in words. This symbolical statement we have to write in words. Here 4 upon 3, this symbol means belongs to Q. So how to write in words? 4 upon 3 belongs to set Q. 4 upon 3, this symbol, it means belongs to set Q. Now second one, minus 2 does not belongs to set N. Minus 2 does not belongs to set N. Now next third one. This is the set. How to read, children? I have shown before how to read. Listen again. Set P. This is a set name. So set P is a set of all P's. This symbol means such that P is an odd number. So how to write down? Set P is the set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Now question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. This all the 5 example we have to write in listing method. Now the question number 1. All months in the Indian solar year. There are total 12 months in Indian solar year. Here we have to give first of all set name. Here I have taken P equal to, open the curly bracket, first month of the year, that is Chaitra. Vaishakh, Jyesth, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Falgun. Now second one. Letters in the word complement. So here we have to give first of all set name. Here I am giving a B equal to, open the curly bracket. First of all we write C, comma, O, comma, M, comma, P, L, E. E after what is the M is there. M already we have written here. So again we will not repeat. E. E also we have written here. Again we will not repeat. Next letter is N. N. Last one is T. Close the curly bracket. Now third one. Sets of human sensory organ. There are total 5 sensory organs. You know children very well. Give the set name. Here I am giving C equal to, open the curly bracket, nose, eyes, ears, tongue. Last one is skin. Close the curly bracket. Now fourth question. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Prime numbers are starting from 2. 2 is the even prime number. Now we have to write in listing method. First give the set name. I am taking your set name P. Open the curly bracket. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, next 19. Close the curly bracket. Here it is given 1 to 20. So from 1 to 20, these are the prime numbers. Question number 5. Names of continents of the world. There are total 7 continents in the world. Give the set name A equal to, open the curly bracket, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and last one is Australia. Today we have learned question number 1, 2 and 4 of practice set 1.1 and question number 3 is your homework part. Thanks dear students. Have a nice day.